Parthenon watching where history beckons. The celebrity eclipse stood waiting, a ship of bright white sailing away from the Piraeus on a warm starry night. 2 days on the Aegean, the sea air is light. The blue and the white of the islands come into sight. Oh, Santorini, a postcard in stone, white houses and blue domes, a view all its own. The Bohemian Mykonos, where the windmills spin free. The sun on the water, the ultimate sea. The luxury is flowing, the service is keen. On the deck of Eclipse, the most beautiful scene.
The days at sea are restful, gliding west full of grace, moving from the Greek Isles to the Italian place. We dock at Civitavecchia, our gateway to Rome. The eternal city calls, a magnificent home. The Colosseum standing, the fountains that spray. We're rushing through history in just one fast day. A quick stop near Pisa for a lean tower view, taking pictures and laughing as all travelers do. Oh, the eclipse, she carries us far. From the Greek Isles, bright beauty to a Spanish guitar. Past ancient formations and coast gold and green, the finest vacation that we've ever seen. We sail up the coast to the French Riviera shore, a day in Nice, France, and we're asking for more. The Promenade des Anglais, the azure blue bay, the glamour and style of the French getaway. We sip a cool drink by the water, the atmosphere's grand. The final port waits in a far western land. One last night of cruising, the stars shine so bright, dancing till midnight with all of our might. Packing the memories from temples to towns, the best 10-day sailing, wearing smiles, not frowns. Then morning breaks slowly in Barcelona, Spain. Sagrada Familia waits to see us again, a gaudy masterpiece. Our journey is done for the memory eclipse, and the Med has just begun. On the beautiful this journey in ancient and grand Athens. The Parthenon watching where history beckons. The celebrity eclipse stood waiting, a ship of bright white sailing away from the Piraeus on a warm starry night. 2 days on the Aegean, the sea air is light. Then the blue and the white of the islands come into sight. Oh, Santorini, a postcard in stone, white houses and blue domes, a view all its own. And Bohemian Mykonos, where the windmills spin free. The sun on the water, the ultimate sea. The luxury is flowing, the service is keen. On the deck of the Eclipse, the most beautiful scene. The eclipse, she carries us far.
From the Greek Isles, bright beauty to a Spanish guitar.
Past ancient formations and coast gold and green.
The finest vacation that we've ever seen. We sail up the coast to the French Riviera shore. A day in nice France and we're asking for more.
The promenade des Anglais, the azure blue bay, the glamour and style of the French getaway.
We sip a cool drink by the water, the atmosphere's grand. The final port waits in a far western land.
Sailing, wearing smiles, not frowns. The morning breaks slowly in Barcelona, Spain. The Sagrada Familia waits to see us again. A gaudy masterpiece, our journey, but the memory of the eclipse and the med has just begun. Adios, where history beckons. The celebrity eclipse stood waiting, a ship of bright white sailing away from the Paris on a warm starry night. 2 days on the Aegean, the sea air is light. The blue and the white of the islands come into sight. Oh, Santorini, a postcard in stone, white houses and blue domes, a view all its own. The Bohemian beat notes where the windmills spin free. The sun on the water, the ultimate sea. The luxury is flowing, the service is keen. On the deck of Eclipse, the most beautiful scene. the days at sea are restful, gliding west full of grace, moving from the Greek Isles to the Italian place. We dock at Civitavecchia, our gateway to Rome. The eternal city calls a magnificent home. The Colosseum standing, the fountains that spray. We're rushing through history in just one fast day. A quick stop near Pisa for a lean tower view, taking pictures and laughing as all travelers do. Oh, the eclipse, she carries us far. From the Greek Isles, bright beauty to a Spanish guitar. Past ancient formations and coast gold and green. The finest vacation that we've ever seen. We sail up the coast to the French Riviera shore. A day in Nice, France, and we're
The promenade des Anglais, the azure blue bay, the glamour and style of the French getaway. We sip a cool drink by the water, the atmosphere's grand. The final port waits in a far